Hello, my name is Rose. Do you know you can master the art of running social media adverts that can help you grow your business and earn more income? People and brands advertise their businesses day in and day out on social media, especially when it comes to Instagram and Facebook. These social media platforms have billions of active users that interact on those apps every day. They advertise these businesses on social media platforms because it gives them the opportunity to reach a wider range of audience. And by advertising on social media platforms, they are able to reach their target audience. That's those customers they really want to get to. These adverts are cost-effective and are accessible by businesses of various sizes. Whether your business is big, small, medium, no matter the scale of your business, you can access these advert platforms on social media. You just need to know the different types of profitable adverts and which one best works for your business. With the millions of businesses advertised on social media, how do you intend to make your business stand out and make your post noticeable to your target audience? Now, let me tell you how. You need to master the art of running social media adverts. Running social media adverts has remained one of the most effective ways to attract the interest of your potential customers and bring traffic to your page. To get your post easily noticed on social media, you'll have to pay for reach, and I'm sure you don't want to spend your money paying for adverts and you don't get the value for that money. In order for you to unlock the knowledge on how to run profitable social media adverts, you should register for the next batch of Bismarck Technologies partially funded scholarship, where you get to learn how to run profitable social media adverts and a lot more. We at Bismarck Technologies are waiting to get you registered because we want you to acquire that digital skill today. Why not come to our offices? Visit our website or dial the numbers on your screen to reach out to us. We're here for you. Equip yourself with a digital skill today.